Solojay back with another video, and today, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, today we do got some more graphic designs. I recorded the last video, and the last video went stupid, so as y'all can see, we got some more graphic designers, so that way y'all can improve y'all brand on a day-to-day basis. Keep on designing, keep on dropping these clothes. And yeah, let's go ahead and hop straight into the video. If y'all are new, make sure to like the video as I did say before. Follow me on Instagram. It either popped up here or right here, most likely over to my right side, which is on your left. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all like the video. Let's go ahead and hop straight into the video. And yeah, let's do it. So boom, this is the first brand. Now this is not a graphic designer. The only reason because I'm putting this first because this is just fire. Like this is just fire. Like look at it. Like this is fire. This is 6 cents. Everything after this is a graphic design. So let's do it. So yeah, this is 6 cents. As y'all can see, they got this blue hoodie. They got this blue hoodie. Like this is hard. Like I mess with this hoodie. Everything is fire. They got the puff print in it, and you know, the puff print on the front, and then the little stitching patchwork on the back. We're gonna go ahead and click on their brand. They do have over 2,100. As y'all can see though, they have red, they got blue, and they got black. All different type of hoodies that y'all can go ahead and cop. Like everything is fire. So this is 6 cents. They're a new different brand. They restock on the 26th of this year. So everything restocks in 3 days. They ship it in the US and Canada. And yeah, y'all make sure you go follow 6 cents because they do got some fire pieces on the way and they restocking soon. So go tap in with them. This is hard. I already got some fire stuff for y'all. Let's go ahead and straight into the designers now. Let's do it. So first is the graphic designer. We do have Naysor Graphics. As y'all can see, like you know they put people on the front. So this is like almost every single design that they have for it. So they put people on the front and they do all that different type of stuff, which is cool. They did it for hoodies. They do shirts. So what do y'all want? Any of these pieces to add to y'all brand, because a lot of these are going crazy right now. This graphic is going crazy with the faces, the creative faces on the front. So y'all make sure to go tap in with them. This is Naysor Graphics. The commission is closed right now, but y'all make sure y'all go ahead and tap in with any other graphic that they do have available so that y'all can go ahead and buy it. And yeah, let's go ahead and hop straight into the next graphic piece. Next graphic piece, we do got Saint 555 Center. They are based in Atlanta, Georgia. We're gonna go ahead and click on their page. Actually, I can see their catalog too though. They got over 7,400 on the gram. They do got the camo, they do got some jorts, they do got some shirts, they do got hats and socks. Different pieces that y'all can just implement to y'all brand, beanies, everything, whatever y'all want, they got it for you. Flares, whatever y'all want, they got it for you. So y'all make sure y'all go tap in with them. This is Saint 555 Center. And yeah, they do got a whole lot of different things, but like anything y'all want, y'all make sure y'all go cop. They drop every single day. Like they drop graphics every single day. Like y'all just make sure y'all go cop. Like just go cop, man. Just go buy something. Like just go buy something. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the next brand. We're about to go ahead and hop straight. Into the next brand. This is 555 Center. And yeah, let's go ahead and hop straight into the next designer brand. Let's do it. Next brand, or not next brand. Why I keep saying brand? I always say brand, bro. Next designer, we do have Chapter 4 Design. They got over 8,700 on the gram. Now this is hard because they do have a catalog. Like they do have a serious catalog of patterns and colorways that y'all can implement into y'all brand on. Like y'all can just implement it. Like they got the backwards New York symbol, bro. Like everything is hard. Everything is fine. You can tap into their website. But they do got different pieces, shirts, sweats, hoodies, everything. Whatever y'all want, they got it. Shorts, they going crazy with the shorts right now. So if y'all, you know, summer coming up in a little bit. So if y'all want to cop some shorts, get y'all a little design for the shorts. Like I say, I got some summer stuff on the way for y'all. So whatever y'all want, bruh, just copy, bruh. Just copy, bruh. So boom, as y'all can see, that is Chapter 4 Designs. We're about to go ahead and hop straight into the next designer. Let's do it. Next designer, we do have Studio. Got 83 DSG. As y'all can see, they got the little mesh, the little long sleeves to go with the little jersey pieces and the beanies. Like everything is hard, so we about to go ahead and click on their page. They do have 4,600 on the gram. And as y'all can see, we're like everything is tough. Like everything's tough. If you want some pieces, that it comes with like jerseys and everything like that, y'all make sure y'all go copy it because everything is hard for sure. So yeah, they do have everything. But like hats, it don't matter. Like whatever you want, they got it, bro. So y'all go tap in with Studio.83DSG. They payment plan is with PayPal only, because you know a lot of people be scamming. You obviously know when you're a graphic designer, you have to give the bread first. Like you gotta give bread first before you get it designed. Niggas just get it designed and take off with that bitch. Like a graphic designer not gonna really scam you for like that, because it's their brand. So nobody wants to tarnish their brand. It's like your brand. Like you don't want to tarnish your brand. You can't think, bitch. Like you tarnish your brand, but you can't produce no. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, let's go ahead and hop straight into the next designer. Let's do it. Next designer, we do have 6 STD. As y'all can't see that. Like this really caught my eye because of the cardigan that they got. Let me scroll to it. Yeah, the cardigan that say Saint. Like imagine having a their color. I don't really like their color though, but like you can change it. Like you can change it. Everything is up to changing. So which is sold now, but As you can say, the bundle concept colors and text are changeable, so whatever you wanted to change it to, like, you can change it. But yeah, this Saint piece is hard. So there's a lot of brands out there that will use the word Saint, and there's nothing wrong with that. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, but like Saint is cool. Like, Saint is cool. It's members only crew. Y'all make sure I go tap in with them at 6 STD. Gonna go ahead and click on their page. They do have over 5,600 on the ground. Black and white pieces, the gray. Oh, but this piece is really hard for anybody that like brown, like the greenish. Yeah, like this is hard too though. So whatever y'all want to go copy, y'all make sure y'all go copy. Believe in Christ. I really like this. And yeah, it's just some pieces, some calm pieces that y'all can just use. Like this green piece right here, and this beanie is hard. Like, I mess with everything that they had to offer when Halloween come around. Look, boom, you got you a little design. I'm pretty sure it's sold. Yeah, everything is sold now. But like, you guys just think about it long term. Like, just tap in with them, follow them on Instagram. Be they 5,685th follower, whatever y'all gotta do to make y'all brand improve. Let's do it. Next brand we do have, why I keep saying, next designer, we do have hustle.dsg. As y'all can see, they are based in Los Angeles, LA. Yeah, this was a day ago, as y'all can see. You about to go, like, these flare pants is hard. Like, they got even these sweats, the little joggers, and they got some flares, and they got, like, you see what I'm saying with the Saint, like the Saint word, like, you feel me? Franklin Saint. They have all different type of zip ups, hoodies. We're gonna go ahead and click on their page, which is at hustle.dsg, with over 5,300 followers on Instagram. They do have these white pieces. They do have these long sleeve pieces. They do have these jersey looking pieces. They're like, whatever you want, they got it, bro. These full tracksuit pieces, like, everything just float together. Like, everything just fire. So y'all go tap in with them. Y'all go, bro, they bird, but shut y'all ass down, dude. Anyway. Oh, they trying to jump off in the joint. They got tote bags, like, whatever you want. Tote bags, you design tote bags. Move, bro. Damn, dude. My bad. Fuck. You design tote bags, they got it for you. So whatever you want, go cap it. Tote bags, anything, they got it. Go tap in with hustle.dsg. And last but not least, for anybody that implements black and pink, but not only black and pink, but we're gonna go ahead and click on their page with over 3,400 on the gram. They do got a lot of different colorways for a lot of different pieces that you may add to your brand. So they got these pieces, beanies, you know, the regular lineup, you know, the common lineup, you know, beanies, sweats, flares, zip-ups, hoodies, tees, whatever you want. Every design is for sale. There's some that are sold. Go tap in with them. Go tap in with them. This is curreskate.std. And yeah, y'all make sure I go tap in with them because they are almost daily dropping. Hold on, let me go to the recent post. Yeah, they daily dropping, so y'all make sure I go tap in with them, bro, because they're dropping a design each and every single day. Look at that. So if you enjoyed that video, y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. Like I did say before, y'all can go follow me right here at imsolojay. I am posting way more content, putting all this streetwear content, because streetwear fashion is what I really do. So y'all just gonna keep on watching these videos, enjoy it, and yeah, keep liking these videos, bro, because y'all really making me, like, you feel what I'm saying? Y'all really making me do what I love to do. So keep supporting the channel. Follow me, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to comment. It is Solojay. Have a good day, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next video.